Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to personalize your settings on your Fafrees F20 pedelec. We go to this the good old and nice setting mode. How we can navigate to it? We push on the computer system. Then of course the next thing is we have to get into the settings mode. The settings mode means that is the hidden feature mode, for example. Plus minus, keep pushing for a second or 1.5 seconds, and then you can walk with the M to the next menu. This is set the speed unit, okay? We can switch to P1A1 or P1A0. This means we have here to switch to P1A1 to change between kilometer per hour and miles per hour. Safe is M, push it. You see, miles per hour are now shown as your computer. Next thing is trip and odometer is in miles too. Oh yeah, cool. Let's complete this, pushing plus and minus. Go to program 1, switch to A0, go back, and you see kilometer per hour and kilometer over there in trip and odometer. That's how to switch the speed unit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.